What are you doing, Malibu? Gonna take a shower soon after Kingsley? Hey, Synergy. That's Synergy's favorite spot. He drinks the water and then he flies under the stream. And this is the way Kingsley loves to shower. He showers right in the shower. The other two like to get misted when they're in the kitchen. Right, Malibu? When we get the mister? Look at these guys. Look at Synergy. What are you doing, Synergy? Alright, so I got the mister. Synergy loves the misting. Maybe I'll try and mist him. See, I got the mister here. This bottle, mister is great. It's just, see the mist? I don't know if you can see it, but it just provides a nice mist instead of like those water bottles where they're kind of like a stream. Some birds don't like the stream, but Kingsley, he likes the stream. But Malibu, he loves the mist. Right, buddy? Okay, I don't want to get my walls all wet. But Synergy, he loves the stream. He loves the mist. Whee! 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 Yay! Malibu? What about you? No fighting. No fighting. Okay, come on, Synergy. You like this the most, so I'll give you the nice bath. Hey? Yeah. He's so cute. Oh, Malibu's going on to the shower head. That's the first time Malibu's actually been up there. That's weird. Oh, these two are always arguing. You guys stop. Whee! He's having fun or what? Look at him. He's so cute. Whee, whee. Kingsley. Whee, whee. I'm giving him a mist as well because he doesn't get all his feathers wet. So I want to get his feathers on his back wet and on his tail because they're dirty. So it can be nice and clean for a nice Sunday day. Yay, whee! And he's almost lost all his green feathers on his head. You see how red he is? He's molting. And he's going to be 3 in May. It's now the beginning of April. And by 3, they should be all colored up. So Synergy's only 1, so he doesn't have the real dark plum head yet. So by the age of 2, I believe, or maybe 3 for them as well. But Malibu's colors are almost finished. He's almost 2. Where'd he go? Malibu, get back over there. There we go. Yeah, so the superb pairs take 2 years to get their colors in. The males, that is. Because the females don't have the yellow and the red. So he's almost 2 and he's pretty much done. Oh, these two are always arguing. Come on, you need a shower too. You're dirty. You're extra dirty because you didn't have your shower yesterday. There we go. I've got to protect that beautiful long tail. Whee! There we go, babies. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, Synergy. Synergy loves the water. He's like a fish. Hey? You can have a shower like every 5 minutes. You'd be so happy. Oh, look at you, Malibu. You look like a wet chicken. Okay, you're not going to be able to fly soon. You're going to be too wet. Then what? You guys are hilarious. Yes, you're hilarious. Oh, look at Kingsley. He's getting pretty wet. Whoa, look at you. I'm going to have nice clean birds. Whee, whee. Look at that tail.